Ooh, that color nasty. That color so nasty on him. Yee. You get caught back here, cause they gon' slam, they gon' dirt flip your ass. Back on my motherfucking grizzly, like I'm a Jehovah's Witness. I ain't even playing with it. I'm on that motherfucking business. I'ma catch up with y'all a little later, cause I ain't no motherfucking hater. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking paper chaser. Gotta get it, cause I'm trying to live major. Y'all see what the I'm at. This just so raw. Boy, her nasty. I ain't gonna lie. Big boy wheels on them. This side that boy raw too. Escalade IQ boy. Yes, sir, raw. Platinum bass boy. Right. Big V boy. Here you go, CJ. Ooh, that color nasty. That color so nasty on him. Yee. That's it right there. This the one. Man, awesome. That boy raw. Yes, sir, that V series. Like this Audi RS5. That junk clean too. $2,100 miles. Sportback boy. 18 city, 25 highway. All this junk drinking. Twin turbo V6 premium. Wow. That boy so clean. I ain't gonna even hate on that. This junk nasty. Quad truck. Sports steering wheel. Carbon fiber in there, boy. That 2x2. Black Escalade all the way raw. Cadillac don't just have no variety. They got a V series in there, boy. Sedan jump. V series Escalades out here, man. This junk so raw. 2025 supercharged, all-wheel drive, boy. Everything in there, boy. This boy loaded, man. Boy, as is. Trade in or something. Clean with that black. With that black, with that carbon flash everywhere. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got some more shit to do. Platinum bags, boy. He clean. Clean on the same thing. You know what I mean? You're Rob. I'm outside, Sunrise, Memphis. You know what's going on. Cadillac of Memphis. We'll get with y'all in a minute, though. Let me get back to this action. But not that many. Yes, sir. We outside, running routes. Yes, sir. Get on your grizzly like you addicted to it. And don't get off it. Boys out there running them golf games on y'all for that chili, man. The boys out there, they ain't cold at all because they out there playing for that chili manili, man. Yes, sir. Hi. Mitchell Heights, cuz. I'm on the north side of Memphis this round. It's going down, go mode. Let me see what this fool think he got going, whipping out that Hyundai. Yes, sir. In the heights. In the heights, baby. Coming through here. Let me down through here, cub. Let me down through here, cub. Yes, sir. Hear that music, boo. It look like Trey right there. Hey, ask for Nez 2 times. Did he used to stay in their house right here? Screenshot that job. Ask for Nez, did he stay right here? Yes, sir. Memphis Zoo, cuz. That's the Memphis Zoo right there. Putting y'all on to a tour of my city. I don't see no crime going on at all right here unless I start creating. But yeah, this the Memphis Zoo. Check it out. One day I'll take y'all to that joint. Meet Lil Poo Poo and Lil Dude Rooter gonna follow up in that joint. Probably have Lil Grand Bro with us too. Follow up in that thing. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Let them enjoy themselves. That's just serious Roebuck Town, man. In the backdrop, y'all see it. Rack road right here. Y'all heard it. Serious Roebuck Town, man. You know what I mean? Concourse. That's what they call it. Yes, sir. Look at this skyline, bro. Of course, when I hit it, I'm gonna pull it in closer to this. But just get you some of that good wind in your face. Yeah, get you some of that M-Town wind in your face, cuz. Yeah. Yes, sir. You see it. Let me show y'all this pyramid up here. Y'all see that? It's called Skyline Action, baby. Yes, sir. We outside, man. Getting to the chili manili. Like Milli Vanilli. I be outside, I be everywhere. Yeah, let me up in here. Cause I be everywhere. Let me up in here. Cause I be everywhere. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I be everywhere. See what I mean? Got that accent. You You get caught back here, cuz they gonna slam, they gonna dirt flip your you gonna have to speak with somebody, huh? Beautiful, man. I live in a beautiful city. I don't care what nobody say. I keep saying that because I mean it. You did. Lord and guys. I get with y'all when I get through clocking it. Look up there. At the AutoZone, holding St. Jude down. I'm in here, man, on the lane. Check this out. Show y'all how it is, man. Beautiful. Shout out to St. Jude. Go Mo. St. Jude officially Go Mo family, fam. No doubt about it. They look out for the loved ones. Check them out, fam. Nice. Nice. Check it out. We in here. We out here working. Y'all boys need to quit jerking and get to working, fam. Grind mode, go mode, for show mode. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, fam. We inside that St. Jude compound. It's beautiful in here, man. Check it out. Beautiful. Look up. Check them out, cuz they putting on. They putting on for Santa Claus, yeah. They say they love Santa Claus, yeah. Yes, sir. Come on, you gonna stop though. They putting on, yeah. North Pole that way. I'm going this way.